SnoreLab Sleep Tracking App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover everything you need to know about SnoreLab, one of the most popular apps for tracking and analyzing snoring. Unlike general sleep tracking apps, SnoreLab is specifically designed to monitor snoring intensity, frequency, and patterns, making it a great tool for anyone looking to reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. One of its standout features is sound recording and analysis, which lets you hear exactly how you snore throughout the night. The app uses advanced audio detection to measure snore intensity, assigning a snore score that helps track progress over time. It also allows you to compare different nights and test how lifestyle changes, sleep positions, or snoring remedies affect your snoring. For example, if you use a CPAP machine, mouthguard, or nasal strips, you can track their effectiveness with the app. Who is SnoreLab for? It's perfect for anyone who snores, suspects they have sleep apnea, or has a partner who complains about their snoring. It's also useful for people trying to identify triggers like alcohol, allergies, or congestion that worsen snoring. The app doesn't diagnose medical conditions, but it provides valuable data that can be shared with a doctor or sleep specialist. However, if you're looking for a general sleep tracker with full sleep stage analysis, heart rate tracking, or smart alarms, SnoreLab is more focused on snoring specifically. Overall, SnoreLab is an excellent tool for snoring awareness and improvement. With its detailed recordings, snore intensity tracking, and the ability to test different remedies, it provides actionable insights that can help reduce snoring and lead to better sleep. If snoring affects your sleep quality or your partner's, this app is definitely worth trying.